Check this out. This is super cool if you want to add a little bit of light in a garden or around the house and you don't want it to make it look just too much like a projector or spotlight or a fake light. This makes it look, and even you'll see it like go like through the wind, it kind of moves. It looks like fireflies. It's really, really pretty. It is solar powered as well. You do have a really strong and long stem to pike it down to the ground. So I've got it coming out of like some bushes. Actually, I'm going to install it by the aloe vera. I think it's going to look really, really nice. And I've got other ones there as well. And you'll see how that one is so pretty because it looks so, I don't know, natural and different. You've got that power button. That's what it is. Just one power button. You turn it on, nothing's going to happen. I'm going to turn it back on. There you go. But I have to block. So it is dusk to dawn. So as soon as I block this, they light up just like that. So you see it off and on. So it's not a huge amount of light, but that's the whole idea. These are practical lights. These are just, you know, enhancing the look, the atmosphere, the ambience of your your garden or of your house. I think they're really cute. I like the fact that they are moving with the wind, and then yeah, love the fact that you just set them and forget them. You don't have to turn it on or off. They will regenerate all of their powers during the day, and when the sun sets, that's where they start dancing. It's really cool.